Okay. Assalamualaikum to all of your parents. I'm Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Okay, so today I'm back here with question number 13 for Score Math 2018. So what I want you to do now, if you are here following me live, kindly click like, share and love this post so that others can benefit as well and you can join in together for this session together, alright, with the rest of you. Okay, something is wrong with my computer today. My laptop is lagging, alright, maybe because I've not done this for quite some time, so the computer is also not happy with me, alright, so I hope all of you will be joining me now. And then we're going to start with this question soon. Okay, so I see all of you there joining. So all of you who join, please share so that other students and other parents can also benefit as well. Thank you for the like and love, everybody. So I'm going to, okay, so interrupted. So I'm going to actually, walaikum salam, happy to see you, ma'am. Every one of you actually, happy to see you. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this question. This question is actually all changing quantities concept, or I'm actually going to draw the working backwards model as well. So I'm going to use two concepts for this question, right? This is actually a P5, P6 question, but all the other parents out there, if you're P3, P4, P5, P6, you can benefit from this question also. Okay? Alright, ready. Wendy had 480 more apples than Jacob. When Wendy sold 3/4 of her apples and Jacob sold 2/7 of his apples, they had 822 apples left altogether. How many apples did Wendy sell? How many apples did Jacob have at first? Okay, so first things first, underline the keywords to understand what this question is all about and to figure out what concept this is. Okay, so Wendy had 480 more apples than Jacob. This more belongs to Wendy, right? Not Jacob. So Jacob, as compared to Wendy, Wendy have more. If you draw the model, it means Wendy's model will be longer. When Wendy sold 3/4 of her apples and Jacob sold 2/7 of his apples, now they give you a fraction of the apples sold. Okay, your issue here is to figure out or identify units for each person, the fractions. I want you to break it up. Alright, this 3 is actually 3 units, this 4 is actually 4 units. Why? Because it is fraction in its simplest form. Understand? When it's a fraction in its simplest form, already in its units form. Okay? So this is 3 units, this is 4 units. Same goes here. This is 2 units and this is 7 units. Okay. Now we go back to when Wendy sold 3/4 of her apples, which means these 3 units here is sold. This 4 is my total. I put T for total. Clear so far? Means Wendy has 4 units of apples. Out of these 4 units, she sold 3. Good? Okay. Now, Jacob sold 2/7 of his apples. This 7 is the total. The 2 is the sold. Same goes for Jacob. He has 7 units of apple, which he sold 2 units out of the 7. Okay? Understand? Alright, so good so far? They had 822 apples left all together. Okay? So my second issue here, I want to find out how many units does this left 822 represents. Okay? Alright, so how many apples did Wendy sell? How many apples did Jacob have? It looks very easy. But let me tell you, when my students did this question, it took them about more than half an hour to figure out how to actually solve this sum. They drew out the model nicely and start. Right, parents also, some of them tried this question earlier on, they got wrong answers again and again and again. So this is how you're supposed to do this sum. Okay, I'm going to draw the model first. I'm going to use the table first, the all changing quantity table first. Then I'm going to use the model. Okay, then you compare which method is easier for you. Okay, so we're going to draw out the table. This is the all changing quantity table. We are comparing two people in this story. We are comparing Wendy and Jacob. Okay, but in this case, you know that Wendy have 480 more. So this Wendy will have a more column in between. So I will write Wendy here, and then I have more. Alright, then I draw my lines like this. Okay, good so far? As usual, B, C, A. Okay? Alright. Now, okay, my C line is crooked. I don't like it. Okay. Alright, now let's figure out before, change, and after in this box here, what does it represent? In this question, I have my total and my sold and my left. So the table here, the before is actually my total. The change is actually my sold. My after is what I have left. Okay? Good so far? Waalaikumsalam sis. So we have BCA already. We have Wendy, and this is more belongs to Wendy. This more is Wendy's and Jacob. Now we are ready to put in the units inside the box. Remember, in the box it's only units. Okay? So we're gonna put in the units. Let's start with Wendy. Before Wendy means total for Wendy is actually 4 units. So we write them 4 units. Okay. Then before for Jacob is actually 7 units. The total for Jacob 7 units. Alright. Now we have change for Wendy. Change for Wendy means the sold for Wendy is minus 3 units. And then we have the change or sold for Jacob is minus 2 units. Right? Then we go back to our more first. We don't fill up this leftover or the upper row yet. Let's fill up Wendy's more. For more here, how many more do we know? She has 480. Okay? So do we know how much of the more did she sold? We do not know, but we can find it out very, very soon. Okay? How do we do that? Okay, Wendy, she has 4 units of her total apples. So, if I want to draw Wendy's model, Wendy will be 4 units, like this, and she has extra. This is the extra, that part. The extra will also be cut up into 4 units. Okay, which means for every 1 unit that she has a bit of extra. For every 1 unit she has another one, she has extra. You understand? Okay? For every 1 unit, she has extra. Every 1 unit, she has extra. 1 unit extra. 1 unit extra. Like this. Okay? So, which means the more here, the 480 more here, is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 units as well. So, which means here we can put 4 units. Okay? Now, can we solve this part here first? Alright. 4 units is 480. 1 unit is 480 over 4, that gives me 120. Now let's go here. How much did she sell for the more? 3 units she sold. Means the more also she will sell 3 units, right? So I will take 3 times 120. There, this is 120 right here. So I get minus 306. Okay, now we go down to the after row. Okay, Wendy, she had 4 units at first. She sold 3 units, balance is 1 unit. For the more, she had 480 at first. She sold 360, balance is 120. Jacob, at first he had 7 units. He sold 2 units, balance 5 units. Okay, good so far? Now, for all changing quantity concept, we always have to make the before row the same. Okay, which means if I were to remove my Wendy more, let me try to cover. If I remove Wendy more, okay, Wendy and Jacob actually have the same parts. If I remove Wendy more, the more part for Wendy means I don't have anything more to compare for Wendy. Nothing extra. Means Wendy and Jacob at first have the same amount of apples if I were to remove. Okay, but in this case there is more. Alright, So I have to make the before. Okay, I have to make the before the same. What the same? This 4 and this 7 to be equal. This one times 7, this one times 4. This one I times 7, this one times 7 times 4 times 4. This will give me 28 units. Here also 28 units. Okay? Here minus 8 units. Here minus 21 units. Right now, 28 minus 8 will give me 20 units. 28 unit minus 21 units will give me 7 units. If you check, 1 times 7 is 7, 5 times 4 is 50. Okay? Now, the question asks me, find out how many units actually represent the 8 to 2. This one, 8 to 2 left all together. How do I get that? I go back to the row, look at the left. We focus at the left. Okay? Look at the left. We have 7 units, we have 120, and then we have 20 units. This one is equal to 8 to 2. Okay? So what plus what plus what? So if I were to use a different color marker, 7 unit plus 120 plus 20 units is 8 to 2. Let me write down. 7 unit plus 120 plus 20 unit equals to 8 to 2. This equation is actually my left. Whose left? 7 unit is Wendy's left. 120 is what more of the more that she have left. The apples more. The more is value, is really the number of apples. Okay? 20 unit is what Jacob's, the number of units we have left. I put them together, I get 8 to 2. Now, if you see I have units, I have units. So all the units to one side, 7 unit plus 20 unit equals to 8 to 2. 120 I bring over, become minus 120. Here, 27 unit equals to 702. Find 1 unit equals to 702 divided by 27 equals to equals to 26. Alright, okay, so we already know 1 unit is 26. I want to know how many apples did Wendy sell. Let's go back to the table and look at Wendy's sell. Wendy sold how many units? 21 units, but she also sold 360 as well. Okay? So we need to find 21. 1 unit is 26. 21 unit is equal to 21 times 26. This will give me 546. But we don't stop there because we have 360 extra for the more. So we add 5 more space. I write here, I continue here. So for part A, it's 546 plus 360 will give me 906. This is what Wendy sold. Right? So it's Wendy sold. Now for part B, how many apples did Jacob have at first? At first means the total. How many units is the total that we want to find? 28 units. So easy. So I want to find 28 units, right? For Jacob's is actually equal to 28 units. So I take 28 times 26. I will get 728. This is the answer, 906 and 728. Now, this is not there. I will not stop here because I still have the model method I want to show you. This is the table method, okay? Or the all changing quantity. Now let's try to draw out the table because some of your children are more in tune with the table and some of you are also in tune with the table, but you drew out or maybe you draw it out wrongly, okay? So let's try the table, the model method. Alright, so Wendy have 480 more than Jacob. So I have Wendy, I I have Jacobs. So my model is this side. So Wendy have more. My model means I need to draw Wendy longer than Jacob. This is clear cut. Everyone knows this. How much more does Wendy have? Wendy have 480 more. Can you see the extra portion here? Can you see the extra portion? Extra portion. This extra portion is actually 480. This one. Can see? Okay. Now, from the question, they say that when Wendy sold 3 over 4, which means I need to cut up my Wendy parts into 4. This is the main model. This is the extra model that Wendy had. For the extra, I also need to cut it up into 4. Okay? Alright? So actually the extra is not the same as the main model for Wendy. Alright? This is a bit smaller. I drew it a bit smaller. This is a bit bigger. Okay? It's supposed to be smaller, not the same size. Okay? So Jacob's, in this case, he has 7 parts. So Jacob's, I cut it out into 7 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, make sure they are equal. In this case, here, I will erase again. I will try to make them equal. Try to cut your model up equally if possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Slightly better. Alright, so I have 7 parts for Jacob's and I have 4 parts for Wendy with the extra of 4 parts. Now, question say that Wendy sold 3 of her apples. So 1, 2, 3. So means the extra portion also 1, 2, 3. So okay, Jacob sold 2 parts. So 1, 2. All the ones in red are sold. This one is also sold. Okay. This one is also sold. The one in red is all sold. Okay. Now, I want to know how many apples they have left altogether. Now, remember just now I said that we need to make the Wendy before and Jacob's before the same. What am I trying to say here? Let's look at the model. If I were to remove my Wendy more, okay, the Wendy's apple, the extra part there, you can see that Wendy and Jacob's model, they are the same. They are the same length, same size. But Wendy, I have 4 parts, and Jacob's, I have 7 parts. 4 parts, 7 parts. Can you see that? Okay. Wendy, I have 4 units. Jacob, I have 7 units. Are they the same units? They are supposed to be the same, but they are not the same. So how to make them the same? We actually times. That's what I did here. Can you see? I times 4, I times 7. So in this case, I also times 7, I times 4. Understand? Okay. Now, usually what your children will do, they will cut. This one, I must cut into 7 parts each. Cut. 7, 7, 7, 7, all the way. This is very tedious. Alright, and you might get it wrong. Don't cut. Okay, I have a shortcut way for you to do. So this one also, 7 units, right? I need to times 4 with each of these you cut into 4. Don't cut. Instead of cutting, do this. 7, so inside here you put 7 units. 7 units, 7 units, 7 units. Here, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units. Now, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Yes? 7, 14, 21, 28. Yes? Are they the same now? Yes, they are the same. They are 28 units already. Okay? You have to cut. I did not have to cut. Now, the issue is which of the parts here are my leftover. This is my left. Here is my left. Here is also my left. Can you see here left? The one that's not shaded is my left. This is also my left. Okay. Now, what are my left? Here is 7 units. Here, I have not found out, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units is 480. 1 unit is 480 over 4 equals to 120. Each of these here is 120, 120, 120, 120. Here is 120 left. Here, my leftover is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20 units left. If I put all this left all together, 7 unit plus 120 plus 20 units equal to 822. Isn't this the same as this? Yes. So you're going to end up with the same answer as well. Understand? I hope you do. So I have here these two methods to show you. Yeah. Right, so I have these two methods to show you. One is the all changing quantity table method. Another one is the working backward model method. Alright, doesn't matter which method your child prefer to solve this sum, as long as they manage to get the answer and understand how to get the steps correct. Okay, alright, so why not try out this sum with your children, or if you have done it earlier on and you got the answer wrong, this is the correct answer. If your child have done it and they did it wrongly, then maybe you can actually go through the sum together with your child with the correct concept. Okay, so I hope you understand. Alright, so if you have any other questions, you can always check back with me. Okay, my number is 91098564. You can SMS or WhatsApp me. That's my number. Or you can just PM me here or at my Genius Young Minds fan page as well. Alright, so I want to share with you, for those of you who are keen on our math tuition classes, alright, taught by me. My math tuition classes are all taught by myself. The group tuition or the one-to-one tuition classes are all taught by myself. Just click on this link for more details. Alright, so we have $85 away for all the registration fees, okay, for the marvelous month of March. Okay, and for those of you who like to find out more of all these must-know math concepts, the PSLE must-know math concepts, there's 25 of them. Why not try out our trial lesson? Okay, and we're going to share more of the math concept. This is one of the must-know math concept. Alright, click on that link and then you're going to get the gym trial class for free. This is free. Okay, this one minus $85 for the marvelous month of March. Alright, so check back with me next week. Okay, I'll be back with 2 more questions. So we're going to share more of the must-know math concepts. Alright, things like this. Your child, if your child is at P6, he already have to know and master by then. Okay, if your child is currently at P4 level, then start trying out this kind of concepts with them. Okay, alright. Waalaikumsalam. Madam Adisa, she said that she's watching from the start. Thank you so much. So if you're all watching and you have already watched, alright, and you think it's beneficial, why not like, love, share this video so that other parents can also join in the next session and they can keep on sharing this so that they can get deep knowledge, alright, for the must-know PSLE math concepts. Right, this has been Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Goodbye, everybody.